Want to start a YouTube channel in 2025 but don't know where to begin? This is the only step-by-step guide that you need, even if you have zero experience, zero subscribers, and zero budget. Step 1, pick your niche. Focus on a topic you are interested in and people are searching for. It could be makeup, it could be lifestyle content. You can use tools like TubeBuddy, vidIQ, YouTube search to research ideas or to get ideas that you can choose topic from. Make sure that people are searching for that particular idea that you want to use as your niche. Don't try to appeal to everyone, because niching down will make you grow faster. Step 2, channel setup. Set up your profile picture, your banner, and your about section, that is also known as the description box. Use Canva for quick free channel art. Add links and short mission in your bio. Step 3, plan 3 to 5 video ideas. Think, what do your ideal viewers need help with? Make your first video search based. What I mean by make your first video search based, make it something that people can easily search on the internet. For instance, you can use how to or best tools for. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas or titles around your niche. Step 4, recording and editing. Use your phone. Don't wait for the perfect gear. Good lighting and clear audio matters more than a fancy light. You can use, for example, you can use the sunlight. That's the best light you can use. Sunlight is the best. That's the natural light. That's the best light you can use. You can use free editing tools like InShot, CapCut, iMovie, or other editing apps that you can see on Play Store or Apple Store. Step 5, SEO basics. SEO simply means search engine optimization. In step 5, we have to consider 3 things, and one is title, the second one is thumbnail, while the third one is description. Now for title, you will solve a problem plus add keywords. For example, you can say how to start a YouTube channel, just like what I did. How to start a YouTube channel, that's the title. You can use how to start a YouTube channel. For thumbnail, you will do big text plus your face. If you check my thumbnail for this particular video, you will notice that the text is big enough for audience or for viewers to see and recognize. And you also have to use your face, just like I use my face. So big text plus your face equals more clicks. Therefore, description, include keywords plus a clean to action. Therefore, your description, try to include the part, like use keywords of what you are teaching on your video. For instance, I said how to start a YouTube channel. Then in your description, you can say, in this video, I'm going to teach you or walk you through how to start a YouTube channel. In step 6, posting and consistency. Set a weekly schedule and stick to it. Don't worry about views, worry about improving 1% per video. Analyze what works with YouTube Studio Analytics. Now, this is the motivation and mindset I want you to have or to know. You won't grow overnight. You will grow by posting consistently and by learning. Okay, so don't think that once you start YouTube, you already have 1,000 subscribers, you already have 2,000 subscribers, you already have 5,000 subscribers. It doesn't work that way, but you will grow if you keep posting and if you keep learning. So you have to post consistently and you have to learn. All right, so posting and learning has to go hand in hand. Don't wait to learn everything once, but keep posting and keep learning. That way you will grow even beyond what you think. That way you will grow on YouTube. Treat your first 10 to 20 videos as your training ground. Give it your all. Make sure the second one is better than the first one. The third one is better than. Keep improving on your videos. Use your first to 20 videos as your training ground. Give it your all. Give it your best. Okay? Every big creator started from zero, just like you. So for you to be big, you have to start from zero. So don't be discouraged by the views that you are seeing currently, or people are not noticing you. Just keep posting. Just continue posting. And with time, you will see yourself growing even beyond what you expected. I wish you all the best, okay? If you find this video helpful, please hit the like, subscribe, and comment on this video. I'll be dropping weekly videos on how to grow and monetize your channel. Let me know on the comment section one thing that is holding you back from starting your YouTube channel. Let me hold you hand by hand and see that we grow together. I wish you all the best. I love you.